Okay, let's talk about building a remote team without feeling too remote. The kind of team that even though you are all scattered around the globe, you still feel connected. Here's the thing, time zones can be tricky, but with the right strategies and the right tools, your team can stay productive and connected. So today I'm going to give you some strategies and tools to help you make this process seamless. So first off, let's address the big elephant in the room, which is time zone differences. Time zone concerns are normal. Your entire team is spread over the globe and you constantly have this concern of who is awake and working. But here is the thing, you don't need everybody awake at the same time to collaborate effectively. But what is the trick? The trick is to set up clear communication systems. So if you don't have a candidate working on your US time zone, then make sure you have tools that foster communication without needing everyone to be online at the same time. A great tool for this is Slack. Slack is a lifesaver. Slack allows you to create channels on different time zones so that you know who is awake when. You can even use Slack's status feature so everyone knows who's off and when they will be online and replying. This keeps it clean and organized, and over communication is much better than no communication. Next up, let's talk about creating effective handovers. If you are passing the baton across time zones, then make sure it is crystal clear. You could use tools like ClickUp to track ongoing projects and also assign tasks with deadlines. This way, when the team member signs off, the next team member will know exactly what is next. And here's a pro tip, make sure each task has clear notes and clear deadlines, because we all know there's nothing worse than waking up with an inbox filled with "what do I do now?" messages. Next up, consider using a CRM like Close to centralize all your client-facing communication. This will make sure that no important information slips through the cracks. With everything in one place, no matter who's on shift, the next team member can pick off where the previous team member left off. Now, next up is Fireflies and Fathom. You can use these two tools to always make sure you have notes of your meetings. You can rest assured that all communication throughout the team and with the clients are recorded. Not only this, it has full transcripts so that you can reference back and make sure everyone knows exactly what's going on. And finally, let's talk about team culture. Time zone differences doesn't mean a lack of connection. An easy and clear solution to this is weekly catch-up calls. A simple weekly roundup where everyone joins on one call at the same time. Over here, everyone can share their wins, their challenges, and a fun personal update. This will not only keep the morale high, but enhances that team culture and productivity. So use some of these tools and strategies and you will be amazed at how much easier it is working across different time zones. If you are looking to hire candidates overseas and you don't know where to start, click the link down below, fill out the form, and book a free consultation call with our sales team. We will design a customizable global hiring strategy for your business completely free.